Today we are gonna go for a brunch with the tribe. Because of the air pollution, the Thai gov basically say that all the metros from Saturdays to Saturdays are going to be free. I like it. I like it a lot. So let's see if it's real or not. Is it free today, no? Is it free today? Okay. Sawadika. I need to go to see Lom. Yeah. Chai. Is it free until next Saturday?
Free ticket 7 days.
Welcome free ticket from Thai government 7 days. Okay. Kapunka. I love it. Yeah. Chai. I'm going to use the metro every day. Yes. Okay, let's go and find the dragon. I'm sure already that if I'm gonna find the beast, I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna scream like crazy. So nice, it is so nice, honestly. I really miss to live next to a park. I really do. Yeah, no, okay, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Because this park is absolutely gorgeous. I know I already say that, but wow. I love every single tree. Is it that? Oh my goodness, let me check. Oh dear Lord Jesus Christ, I found it. Amo, però non ti mettere in mezzo al cazzo. Oh Jesus, dude. I swear to God, I want to scream already. Yeah, I don't think I want to live next to this park anymore. Oh my goodness, a huge ass F. Wow. Are they friendly? I mean, they don't look friendly. You can do it. What a beautiful place here. Oh dear. Okay, I found another one. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a baby. Can you see? Mamma mia. Sono brutti, Dio santo se sono brutti. so many different trees. I love it. Honestly, love it. Look at that. That it reminds me of Africa. This one is it reminds me of Jamaica. This one reminds me of Italy. See? What else? Absolutely gorgeous, honestly. I don't know why this reminds me of Botswana. I don't know. Since I'm here, I have a little bit of time. I just want to talk about what I posted. Oh no, they closed the way. Well, what I posted about. It was a very funny video, but unfortunately it's even true. I posted a video about ghosts in Thailand, and thanks God, one of my very best friends before to come here, she gifted me with the white sage, and I bought even the Palo Santo because I believe in that shit. I do. I'm Italian, so we believe in that a lot. And I mean, London, full of ghosts. It's full of ghosts, even like a very bad one. Here, oh my goodness. Okay, I don't want to scare you. I don't see them, but unfortunately I feel them. And they are bothering me at night. They do a lot. I spoke with a tiger. She's my friend actually. I mean, I hope so. Anyway, and we were talking about that. I said, listen, just want to ask you something really weird, but I need to know. And she was, yeah, ask me anything. And we start talking about ghosts, like how is the culture here of ghosts and everything. And she was, yeah, that's a very big deal. That's a very big deal. And unfortunately, because you live close to the river, but forget it that you're gonna sleep at night like in peace, especially when they know, and this is happens everywhere, especially when they know that you can actually see them and feel them. Like they are becoming really annoying, really mean, whatever. So yeah, I'm supposed to go. Wait a sec. So yes, guys, it's a very funny video, but it's also true. Did I ever tell you my theory of Google Maps and how it works here? Because every single time, I don't mind walking, I love walking, I can walk everywhere, I don't mind. If it says like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, even 1 hour, I don't mind at all. But every time that Google says, oh, it's 10 minutes walking, for example now, from the park to the brunch place, it says that it was 6 minutes. 6 minutes, my big ass, guys. It's not. Google Maps in Thailand, it's broken. I'm telling you. This is not the first time. This is not the first time. Again, I love walking and I trusted that bitch, honestly, saying, yeah, I can do that. Every single time it turns that is like at least 3 times more. At least. So, yeah. Someone explained to me why Google Maps is broken in Thailand. Why? Oh, I arrived! Oh, this is so cool. What? Okay, fabulous. Okay, so where are we going?
I sound like alcohol. What did you order?
Chicken tacos, same as...
Oh, same?
Yeah. Yeah, coming from Australia, there's heaps of beef, and I come here and I'm like...
Yeah, $15 beers, let's
Cheers!
No, mine is alcohol free. There's no alcohol in there. There's beef eating food.
We got some Connect 4 going on over here. Damn, this is an intense
It
game.
is very intense.
Oh, she can go here and here. Oh, okay. Yeah, if I go here, she can still go here. She got 4. Okay. I'll just play along. I'll play along. So the spot I looked up was busy, but this spot is empty. We're gonna take it over. We're gonna take it over this spot right here. This is our place right now. To the fallen. To the fallen. All right, 1, 2, 3. Cheers, 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 cheers. Jerk chicken. Go Bria, go Bria, go Bria. I always pick on you to see you like. Hit it. All right, represent for the Italian. Hit that. Okay. Italy in the building. And she make up rules for Uno. Liquor time.
Burger and go to sleep.
Cheers. Cheers.